lovers. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your go-to source for insightful home decor and design inspiration. Today, we're delving into a design trend that seamlessly blends two distinct yet harmonious aesthetics, the Japandi house exterior design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Specifically, we'll be exploring Japandi house exterior design, a style that embodies tranquility, minimalism, and natural beauty. Japandi is a fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design principles. It combines the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which embraces imperfection and transience, with the Scandinavian emphasis on functionality and warmth. In the context of exterior design, this translates to clean lines, natural materials, a muted color palette, and a strong connection to nature. It's about creating a serene and inviting exterior that feels both modern and timeless. Unlike other styles that may feel cluttered or overly ornate, Japandi prioritizes simplicity and intentionality. Every element serves a purpose, contributing to the overall sense of calm and balance. Choosing a Japandi exterior offers numerous benefits. Firstly, its minimalist nature creates a sense of peace and tranquility, a welcome respite from the often chaotic world. Secondly, the emphasis on natural materials like wood and stone fosters a connection with nature, which has been shown to have positive effects on well-being. Thirdly, Japandi design is inherently timeless. Its clean lines and simple forms ensure that your home's exterior will remain stylish for years to come, avoiding fleeting trends. Finally, Japandi promotes sustainability by favoring durable, natural materials and minimizing unnecessary ornamentation. This makes it an environmentally conscious choice. Creating a successful Japandi exterior involves careful consideration of several key elements. Start with a muted color palette, focusing on neutrals like whites, grays, beiges, and soft blacks. Introduce natural wood tones for warmth and texture. Incorporate clean lines and simple geometric shapes in the architectural design. Minimize ornamentation and clutter. Prioritize natural light by using large windows and glass doors. Integrate landscaping that complements the minimalist aesthetic, such as gravel gardens, moss, and strategically placed trees. Consider adding a water feature, like a small pond or fountain, for a touch of tranquility. Finally, ensure a seamless transition between the interior and exterior spaces, creating a cohesive and harmonious living environment. What are the best materials for Japandi house exterior design? Material selection is crucial in achieving the Japandi aesthetic. Natural materials are paramount. Consider using 1. Wood. Light-colored woods like cedar, pine, and birch are ideal for siding, decking, and accents. Darker, charred wood, sugiban, can be used for a dramatic contrast. 2. Stone. Natural stone like slate, granite, and limestone adds texture and grounding to the design. 3. Concrete. Concrete offers a sleek and modern touch, especially in pathways and retaining walls. 4. Glass. Large windows and glass doors maximize natural light and create a visual connection with the outdoors. 5. Metal. Black or dark gray metal accents can add a touch of modern sophistication. And to inspire you for your next project, here these the collection of the top 10 best Japandi house exterior design ideas. 1. Natural wood siding with black accents. Combine light wood siding with black window frames and trim for a striking contrast. 2. Stone pathway leading to a wooden entrance. Create a welcoming entrance with a natural stone pathway leading to a warm wooden door. 3. Minimalist landscaping with gravel and moss. Design a low-maintenance landscape with gravel, moss, and strategically placed rocks. 4. Large windows with minimalist frames. Maximize natural light with large windows and simple, unobtrusive frames. 5. Outdoor seating area with natural wood furniture. Create a relaxing outdoor space with comfortable wooden furniture and soft textiles. 6. Charred wood accent wall. Use sugiban for a dramatic and textured accent wall. 7. Water feature with stone surround. Add a small pond or fountain with a natural stone surround for a tranquil touch. 8. Green roof with native plants. Incorporate a green roof to enhance the connection with nature and improve energy efficiency. 9. Vertical wood slat screen. Use vertical wood slats to create privacy and add visual interest. 10. Combination of light wood and concrete. Blend the warmth of light wood with the sleekness of concrete for a modern Japandi look. By carefully considering these elements, you can create a Japandi house exterior that embodies serenity, simplicity, and timeless elegance. Remember, the key is to prioritize natural materials, muted colors, and clean lines. This design philosophy is truly about creating a space that enhances your well-being and connects you with the natural world. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best Japandi house exterior design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.